One witness is there, Your Honor. This one is only for cross, Your Honor. No witness, Your Honor. Yes.
Yes, is present, Your Honor.
Step was taken.
Yes, Your Honor. Step was taken.
What happened?
No report, Your Honor.
No. This matter was heard. After the matter was heard, they filed an application for recalling PW12. PW12 is the headman, no?
Yes, Your Honor.
How come headman cannot be traced? This is the second time.
Second time.
After conclusion of the final hearing, then we have summoned PW12. We allowed the application for re-examining PW12. Now this is the second date where the summon has not been returned.
We'll talk with the Your Honor. Course of step may be taken, Your Honor.
We also said that coercive steps to be taken on the last date.
One more opportunity may be given, Your Honor.
This man knows where is the headman.
Menurut statement Hewan Sa'amapan,
He's there in the village.
MOH no. He's on.
Where is this village?
Hewan no. His resident is at can proceed, but he's still with his wife at Hewan Chanulago. His wife at Tambulian. Open for Tambuli, right? The rest of his life he can Tambulian with his children.
But they should return the summon, no?
Yes, Your Honor. That's
Why the summons not being returned? Which police station?
Dapti, Your Honor.
And where the witness is staying now also falls under Dauki?
Tambuli, yes, Your Honor.
Tambuli village, yes.
Okay. This is about the presence of the accused and the counsel. This matter is fixed today for the examination of the witness PW12. This is the second time the summon issued to the witness is not returned. The witness, it's not returned. First off, the prosecutor submits that he will look into the matter and ensure that the summon is served to the witness. Refix for evidence. Prosecution to take rest step. You asked from him also, na, whatever the alternative
I will
address.
take the details. Yes, Your Honor.
Yes.
One witness is there.
Yes.
Here also one witness is there.
Yes.
Arkipan, here on the someone returned duly served, Your Honor, but the witness hasn't turned up here.
Who is the accused?
Akipan. Yes.
Accused Arkipan present, defense counsel absent without any steps. Additional prosecutor D. Lambar present. Summon issued to the witness return duly served. However, witness is absent without any steps. Verifics evidence prosecution to take fresh step. Yes.
Dr. Sharma,
UTP.
Need to be yes, Your Honor.
Yes.
is for argument for charge on.
So yes. The last date we passed an order asking you to satisfy the court as to when a grievous hurt will become to attempt to murder. Yes. Okay, we'll take after evidence. Okay.
Raymond Har. For Thomas Jones, we have tried to call his family member and they said that they would come to sign your signature, but nothing now we haven't appeared.
Bail application is ready.
No, Your Honor.
Yeah, for the mandar, we are ready.
So the copy,
Yes, certificate of prescription.
we will take it after evidence.
No, Hilda, Bailon, Raymond.
This is for 313, Your Honor.
You have started.
Yes, started.
Have we finished any of the examination?
Yes, one of the aspects of them finished, but the motive of them.
Finish.
Yes.
Okay, let them be there. If we have time, we'll do it.
Didn't you think
Yes.
People pertama New India Assurance.
Your Honor, I fully intend to follow my written argument, Your Honor. I'm not ready.
File a petition. Matters proceeded ex parte.
Yes. Pray for 2 time or 2 weeks.
The prayer of the clement. Hearing of the instant claim petition is deferred till next date. Fix this matter after 2 weeks.
Court will adjourn.
Yeah.
My question.
Yes.
This is the third bill application on behalf of the accused persons in connection with
How long he's in custody?
his been in custody for a period of 10 months.
How many?
10 months.
10 months.
Yes,
What is the charge against you?
302, Regular Section 30.
How many witnesses have been examined?
16 witnesses.
Where was the last witness examined?
On the 7th July 2025. Since then, no witness has been appeared for this appointment.
You are in custody for 10 months.
Yes,
Were you arrested earlier?
I was arrested in the ground on this time of an individual issue by this.
Prior to that, were you in custody?
Yes,
How long? This is a bail application for the. How long you were in custody during prior to being arrested on the strength of a non-bailable warrant? Yes, prosecution. What do you have to say?
Your Honor, this is the case where the family member and of the accused, Your Honor, has written the witness, Your Honor, in this instant case, Your Honor. This is the case where the family members of the accused, Your Honor, who had threatened the witness, Your Honor, not to reveal the truth in this instant case, Your Honor. Considering that now the witness remaining to be examined are only two, Your Honor, the IO and plus the two seizure witness remaining, Your Honor. The vital witness had been examined, Your Honor.
We have the copy of the order. Where is the file for this? We have the copy of the order where we issued non-bailable warrant against you.
I think have to copy it.
But you want a bail from the court. You are not prepared. Why did we issue non-bailable warrant against you?
I understand that the evidence was.
Please read the order. What was the evidence before this court, which compelled this court to issue non-bailable warrant against you? Where is the case report? By which order we issued non-bailable warrant? Come prepared. Yes. This bail application has come up for hearing. This court had put up certain queries to the learned counsel for the petitioner. It appeared that the counsel for the petitioner had not prepared. We fix for hearing of the instant bail application. Yes. Yes. Next. Next. What do you have next?
This item number 6, Your Honor.
What is that?
By case Sharma. Hearing on argument of charge.
Argument for charge?
Hearing.
What is the argument for charge?
Your Honor, in this case, the prosecution has fulfilled the ingredients of section 109. And Your Honor, the intention, firstly, the ingredients of section 109, that the intention and knowledge is a primary factor in section 109. And secondly, the injuries are secondary. So, Your Honor, in section 109, as per the charge sheet of the accused, there is no intention and there is no knowledge and there is no premeditated plan. And Your Honor, the prosecution has to establish.
Prosecution is relying on how many witnesses? What is the evidence for the charge? Is there medical evidence?
Your Honor, as per the medical opinion of the doctor, she stated that there is injury only.
What is the nature of the injury? In which part of the body the victim has received injury?
Head, neck, and her hand.
Was any weapon used?
Your Honor, as per the recovery and the FSL, it's a negative, Your Honor.
What is the object used for causing injury?
The object, as per the charge sheet, is the down.
Was it seized?
It was seized later.
On which part of the body he received injury?
The victim on her head and cheek and her both hands. And Your Honor, as per the opinion of the doctor, she stated that after careful examination of the patient, I am of the opinion that the patient is suffering from grievous head injury. Grievous head injury, and the characteristic of the injuries are consistent with injury caused by sharp cutting weapon requiring hospitalization and immediate intervention. And Your Honor, the prosecution has to establish a prima facie case that the accused has an intention and knowledge to commit the crime. And
What intention?
Your Honor,
How will they prove intention?
yes, I'll come to that, Your Honor. Your Honor, the history of the case, the accused person is the husband of the victim, and out of their marital relationship, they have been blessed with 13 children. And Your Honor, as per the FIR in this case, with your permission, Your Honor, I would like to read.
Who filed the FIR?
The brother of the victim.
We don't go into the FIR in detail.
Yes, sir.
If something glaring is there, then only we look at the FIR.
Your Honor, he stated that the victim was assaulted by her husband, Shri Dikesh Chamang. He hit her with a machete in part of her head, neck, and both hands. He had done this act in the residence only, and the victim is under 9 months pregnancy stage. And this incident occurred on the 27th of October 2025.
Okay. So, after the incident, the victim was medically examined.
Yes, Your Honor.
How long after medical examination the victim was examined? What was the time gap between the incident and the examination of the victim by the doctor? Does the doctor speaks about the victim being pregnant?
Yes, Your Honor. He mentioned.
Right. So how do you say that this is not attempt to murder?
Your Honor, there is no premeditated plan in this case, and he had no knowledge. And Your Honor, in this case, the victim, she kept on nagging to the accused person that you were intoxicated and all. So out of the spur of the moment,
Who says so?
the victim, Your Honor, on her 164.
She said that she's been nagging her husband. She provoked her husband.
May I read the 164?
Yes.
It was at around 3:30 p.m., but at around 12 noon, my husband, Dikesh Chamang, came home and called my name and asked me to sunrise for him to go to the paddy field, as he is not happy to stay with me or with his family members, so he would go and stay in the paddy field. And since I am pregnant, I cannot do or clean the rice from the husk, so I asked him to clean the rice by himself. But he kept on calling me, but I asked my son Osme to respond to the father to pack the white rice, since the red rice is still in the house. My husband kept on calling my name as I was standing outside in the veranda and leaning on the water tank. My son Osme went to my husband to tell him to pack the rice, but my husband kept insisting that I come inside the house. So my two sons, Jamper and Martha, were sleeping in a room in the corner of the house, so I was not scared. And I asked my son what his father is doing, and he replied he was taking one local dog from one room to another room. So I kept standing near the water syntax as he informed me that he will collect pine wood from the hills, and so I thought he would be collecting pine woods. And suddenly my husband came out of the house, and I was still leaning on the water syntax, and as I do not suspect that he will beat me, my husband there and then suddenly attacked me with the dao. I was in shock while he was attacking me, and I fell to the ground.
Okay.
And I lost my consciousness.
Okay. That is filed under which section?
And 109, 641, 118, subsection 1 and subsection 2. Okay.
Now make it compulsory for the investigating officer to appear in the court while bringing charge.
Okay, sir.
And section 351, subsection 3 only.
What is section 109? Attempt to murder.
Yes.
118 is what?
voluntary causing hurt,
voluntary causing hurt.
Give us hurt. 85?
punish a husband or his relatives subjecting women to cruelty. And section 64(1). Rape.
Rape?
Yes.
Hey, call this investigating officer in the court.
Okay, sir. We'll take note of that.
Tell him we'll not. Enough is enough. What is this nonsense about rape? Is this the case we are on? Who's the investigating officer?
And Guru.
And
her learned counsel for the her learned prosecutor, her learned defense counsel, Srimati so and so. Charge sheet against the accused has been filed under section 109/118(1)(2)/85/65
64.
just 64. You are sure 64 is rape?
Yes, 64(1).
All right, and 35(1). Full stop. Upon perusal of the FIR dated
28.
28 and the statement of the victim this court finds there is a prima facie evidence to show that the accused is the husband of the
And Your Honor, this case is a lot of improvement. Because on her 161.
there is a prima facie case to show that the accused is the husband of the victim. To great surprise of this court, charge sheet has been filed against the husband for rape of his wife. This court would like to remind the investigating officer marital rape is not an offense in India. The IO shall appear before this court in person to assist the court in framing charge.
Your Honor, if I made the copy of the order will be.
Yes, copy of this order shall be communicated to that. No, but then how can there be a charge? How can there be a charge of rape?
That he'll be the fittest person to answer.
No. Why do you pass the buck on the investigating officer? Are you subservient to the investigating officer?
No.
Then the investigating officer is supposed to know the law, or the prosecuting officer is supposed to know?
Prosecuting officer.
Are you ready with your case? We can hear your application. Where is this bail application? Are you ready? We can take it up. Why did you come prepared? Are you ready?
Yes, Your Honor.
Please tell me, read the order. What was the occasion for this court to issue non-bailable warrant?
You know, the granted evidence was years of death.
Please read the order.
Second, Your Honor, accused person was John Clem, present and now we landed counsel Adam Shikam. Accused person Robert Dalam, present before this court today. Accused person Damon Har, absent without any steps. Landed counsel Shrimati A.M. Noplu for the accused Robert Dalam.
Come to the relevant part of the order. Why did we issue warrant against you?
This court has very painfully examined the witness who is present before this court. It is only on the later stage of the examination it was found that the witness is very reluctant to the reveal of the fact because she feared the accused person who are present in the door.
Who was the witness present for this court?
It will die
PW.
W16.
All right. This is the bail application. Under section. You have anything to say?
Affording admission that Your Honor, that the accused, Your Honor, through their family member, Your Honor, has threatened the witness, Your Honor, clearly from the.
So if he has threatened the witness, we'll keep him in jail throughout his life.
No, Your Honor.
Yeah, in this case, since July 2000, since 7 July, there's no witness has been appeared.
Okay. This is a bail
And I
application.
would like to substantiate my prayer, in the case of Javed Kudamla district, versus state of registrar, passed by the Honorable Chief Fukutan.
Relevant paragraph. Give the citation. You have the citation, SCC citation.
Yes, sir.
SCC, that is SCC.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Which paragraph?
In paragraph number 8.
What does it say? What it says?
It's taken that, having regards to the officer, given the trial will ultimately conclude. However serious the crime may be, and it is has a right to speedy trial as enshrined by the constitutions of India. Over the period of crimes, the trial court and the high court have protected against certain perspective that bail is not to be written as punishment manner. And in the
Okay. Okay. This is a bail application. This is a bail application. Section 4. Huh? 483 of BNSS for the grant of bail to the accused. Name? Demon Dha. The bail application is supported with an affidavit and moved by learned counsel, Shri I. Counsel, Shri I am Suchian. Her learned counsel for the petitioner, her learned prosecutor, Shri D. Rangbang. A record of the case is laid before this court. To stop. Her learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the accused was arrested on the strength of non-bailable warrant issued by this court. Thereafter, he has been languishing in custody for almost 10 months. Stop. Learned petitioner submits that as the last witness submits that the last witness in the instant case was examined when?
7 July.
On 7 July 2025. Thereafter, prosecution has failed to produce witnesses and the trial has not proceeded. What is the Supreme Court citation of this? You have the Supreme Court citation of this case. Learned counsel for the petitioner also placed reliance on the decision of the Supreme Court in Javed Ghulam versus State of Maharashtra to buttress his argument that delay in trial give rise to buttress his argument that delay in trial infringes the right of the accused of speedy trial. And is entitled to be enlarged on bail. Stop. Next paragraph. Another prosecutor submits that the accused was arrested after examination of PW16. There were materials to manifest that the accused had indulged in suborning the witness, bracket PW16. A release of the accused would not be proper. Stop. Next one. That upon hearing the rival counsel and on examination of the material on record, This court finds that the accused was arrested on the strength of non-bailable warrant issued by this court by the order dated 9/6/2025.
19,
Sorry,
96.
19 or 9?
Authorization,
Huh?
9.
9, yes. By order dated 9/6/2025. Full stop. The material and record is consistent with the argument advanced by the prosecution that the accused had indulged. Now, there are materials to show the accused had indulged in threatening the witnesses. Consequently, he was arrested. Full stop. It is apposite to mention that arrest of the accused was for the purpose of trial, and further to ensure the evidence is intact. Stop. The prosecution has failed to produce witnesses. Last witness was examined on
7 July.
7 July 2025. Thereafter, the prosecution has failed to produce witnesses. The detention of the accused is for the purpose of trial. And if the trial does not proceed, for any reason whatsoever, now if the trial does not proceed on account of the accused, prosecution, not being able to produce witnesses, it impinges the right of the accused of speedy trial. Full stop. Learned counsel for the petitioner has rightly placed reliance on the law laid down by the Supreme Court. Relevant paragraph is reproduced. Quote, having regard to the aforesaid, we wonder by what period of time, the trial will ultimately conclude. Full stop. Howsoever serious a crime may be, an accused has a right to speedy trial as enshrined under the Constitution of India. Full stop. Over a period of time, the trial courts and the High Court, have forgotten a very settled principle of law, that bail is not to be withheld as the punishment. Full stop. Unquote. So next para. This court would only like to add that are punishment. Comments only after conviction of the accused. Stop. The prosecution has failed to produce witnesses in spite of given sufficient opportunity, comma. How many months it has been there?
Since the last minute, it was 8 months, almost 9 months.
8 months time is sufficient time for prosecution to produce witnesses. Stop. The consequences, next one. The consequences of non-production of the witnesses is not only delay in trial, but incarceration of the accused without trial. So, the accused is entitled to be enlarged on bail for the reasons discussed above. Next, what's the accused name? The accused Demon Dhar is enlarged on bail on execution of a PR bond of rupees 50,000 with two sureties of like amount and on the following conditions. Number one, the accused shall appear before this court on the date fixed and stand for trial. The accused shall not leave the jurisdiction of this court without the permission of this court. The accused shall not intimidate, influence, threaten any of the witnesses. The accused shall not tamper with the evidence. A bail application stands allowed and disposed of. Yes. Yes.
This 313 on item number 8.
Much of the good.
What is the charge against these accused persons?
302, Your Honor. 302.
He's been examined.
Yes, Your Honor.
How many has been examined? We have
One already done, Your Honor. Timothy.
all right. We can go with the same questions, or they are different. Not.
Okay, Your Honor.
Huh?
It's okay.
No, can we go with the same questions, or they are not similarly situated?
Similar situated, Your
All.
Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. Yes. What is that 313? Earlier 313, where is it? We have just started
Yes, Your Honor.
with him. We have started.
With him, we have not started, Your Honor. With the other
Others we have
accused,
finished.
only one accused was finished, Your Honor. Timothy Latam finished.
These are the evidence we have against them. Yes, prosecution was there. What are the evidence we have against them? Only PW2, PW3. Yes, PW2, read over him. We have the previous statement recorded under 313.
Yes. No, Your Honor, I don't have it here. I'll just go.
Yes,
Bên hệ cái cháu con.
yes.
Em mà cái liên phía cái mà. Phía chú bà phía và nhà phía mà. Vậy nếu nó skin wa arno ni kill sumer na sa. Do ông ti porwan no hini kot. Do ông to wa porwa liwan chichnong ha ga khande trip na nya arjar arno. Upa yang ni wayam. Dem terli chemu osa. Dem tete do kaliu teu kill sumer yo na. Một yi nam yi yu telep yagan di ka met yap yang ni wayap na sa. Kaliu. Dem ni tete do ông ni noski wa ar. Ada pentip rogis pulit sa. Dem ni tete hete that mana ada pentip pulit ada wan ki pulit. Aga tega thau mo tega thau wa em tega met yap. Wa em mang baik cha cepok klo jete. Dem tete pendep ki kamram betok pendep ki. Piu ong pi lor ni.
Ai tiap tiap.
Pentip pi. I do not know.
I don't have anything to say.
Ni noski wa leven mo ni dilep rambai na do ong to tip u chpangan ni kesa. To ong ni yap to ong. Payu arbe yonga kurim yung ong. Kanao to wa khat daga akam khat wi chiteng ro email một đợt phân tích biểu để khi mà hay dùng ô sắc để mình ta đợt ông rỗng và tạo và tiếp với cái này cam tạo cam cái cam accident ra khả năng kiểu để mình ta lại lý telep ô cái cái sinh quá lý telep hadin ni tewan mình đã hadin ni tewan tiếp ô tạo và đợt lý khlo biang cái này med yap Nagatagat tawa step kio arpon rotorik ujulai arjarle nagi magistrate takamanle jiro no le emlang hite hitawa telep kio niu wayap tem tada kanao to wada sanyu hakataga kot ko e pulit yu sanyu tem tada piu ong pelor ni
Tiap tiap na.
tip
Yes, next.
niu nos kio showan niu weli muksorne te ong hak arnyau torik benawanyau arjar ar da bo jing ujoru da bo jing ujoru da nita da hadian nita da lai li kali takit ki sepanggan nika jingjian da hak kande tarik benawanyau arjar ar kami singi kam tu uniu elat wan mi tu wayap kanau to wada em mo penyap o dewa dung gi o dem da chem le to bon bahagi tegi gi jing takhaw hi por dung gi o dem ni tete kani to wada lip da kanau dem tete da kanno ro gi to wa kani go kong paimon latam wana ding ling ambe da chnong ding ling sa dem ni tete do ong ro to wa hadien ni te man da dep ki o penyap uniu wayap dem ni tete li telep ki o yo penjulor ya ketega jing sakhi wa em hitte hadien ni te uniu pa yong ni wayam da kanau cho niu o het chnong de hadien te cho niu in charge yong ga company dem ni tete da kana gi to o niu wayap một ai kiệt dem ni tete yap de wa accident tawa man da takit wan ki da chem gi wa to accident hendrei wa cha pen yapแต่hadin ni te một yak FIR một da pen yo ka ni bo kot dem te da PLU ong pelor te
Tiap tiap.
new noski wasanan korbar setengah do ong to ong ni ila setengah uni wayap to ong payu he yong oma dem te New kalbiliwan to pa yung oh. Tada ang to wa the tip the aging tip yo to wa the yap upayu hay por em cha sabri. Dem the pet uchayung dem the chem ka ka met yap yung payu yung yung. The kaliw inagi wahayung yung you pen yap yung new yap nama. Dem the hadin the tip một cái tip por em một chục bi tan hay hadin the tip to wa kanagi to bay lan Timothy và phai mon một pen yap yung payu yung dem the pai ta ka met yap ta chana to em ki kha ha ka met yap yung teu wa yap. Me you ong mi hello ni. Tip mi pai en được cái nọ to wa bay lan Timothy và phai mon một pen yap yo to payu yung tip mi to cái nọ. Yona stated that I do not know that he was accused me of killing his brother. Yon.
Yes. Next. What he says? He doesn't know.
I do not know whether he had accused me of killing his brother.
But why did he accuse him of killing his brother? Does he?
Vậy ông Sari lại một cái nọ tỏ bên nhập nhiều tụi bây giờ là coba kita tuh itu korban setengah tip nhiều tụi korban setengah tapi kerjing ông yang ini betul wa ông một tip betul bilan waktu Timothy wo Paimon nhập bây giờ tip nhiều tụi mình em chính tip mi
I don't know why PW4 has implicated me in this case. Yes.
Anu nos kiwenyawan uniu prafula kumarma uniun do ong the tip which pangan ga case katwa the AGO yo the AGO ta benta yo chim ya ka jing ya ga jing kalam nyong phi ma tem te uniu Timothy the kalam mo khamat yung ni magistrate ha khandetri na pra arjar at tem te mele ada jing kalam mi ha khamat yung magistrate ha khan rutrik na khande arjar at ter khanau to Timothy dong ha ka te hi ka juk kasni de yo ta ga jing kalam ha ni khamat magistrate te dong to wa an wo ni bailon latam moi kate ka to statement yung Timothy ông bailon latam de em ka te ka jingi khajia phi wo ni ai lat tanga ni khajia phi dem te da maham ro pi wo to wa the maham PO dem the na loro maham PO the ong ro phi wo to wa dau chim dau him khut PO mình đã hay por wa ai kiet dem te de yo ro ni Timothy wo to wa ni bailon me de ye cho mi wo ni ai la tanga he ka te ka thau ka te wa luti ka jat ma ka ma khande wa ji I chan met ai met te de ong to me de dat mi o ni ai la tanga de ga pai diga na ka na rot ni bentai yang ga kle dem men dem mi udat hitet te pat the hadin nite uni Timothy ban the himu de keniki denchken dem nite the dung na bentai yang radang ngoi kupo yang dem nite the ong chu men da hite te mut uniu ai la setengah mut da yap hite hi thau the ong chu ni Timothy wa to wa hadin nite me wo Timothy ti di kiet phi tem ni te laliwan phi te lai jar jar thau te ye ka te ka jing ong yong phi mo da ra ki ka hi ni ha po pot tem ni te da pen yo te sahab wa to wa da sang phi me ong mi halo te ti mi MOA statement mi ho rehab. I don't have anything to say about the statement yan.
Yes.
You don't have anything to say about the statement yan.
Next.
Và anh nong skill kan dewan h pasling nama. Roongu tawa. The tip us pangan ni case kat well te wayap tau payu yang ka kurim yang o. Dem te doong roong to ti yung yang te wayap wayang ki tak mut parajan dem ha ka te singi wajia roong emu hayung dem te tip yo o to wa de yap uniu ilat setengah dem te layu chayung yang ki menda poi hayung yang ki te yung polis le em lang hite dem te wo pa yang uniu wayap dem te wo ti hayung yang o. Me yu ong mi halor ni. Tip me. New nos QH Powan, Elmo Roy Carnet on to William, the Payu younger, Purimia only let on, the man oh the canal what our no phone you oh no new game and arne. Open tip your old panga the Jaintia, them the Galiu Yaki Bahat with Jaintia and one tip come on dear, them the em gonna got go week was sign you. The tip mid ubaga signature yang o me you on me lorini. Ni noski hat vivan u basarat ali do ongu towa an o wajo pajka kan ni case kamu ai uma porang wasdang dem the lali kali sebut u sepang kan ni case dem mende to sebut u kan ni case the pengat upi kan don le not r or r not ev or le pauso me you on me lorini. New nose skill cut arwan em bha lang tulet kani tok doktor bekana ko tok ka ko le ye post mortem ter ongo mod de lai gi site ja lom jing tep yang presbyterian ko em ha yok si dingling de klok gi ka ta met yap yang new elat setengah te men da pek ko ye ka met yap te da chem ngo tok em gini ki jing ta kha ha ka met yap yang te wo yap the kana ko hini wa to wa de em idak wa to wa dung na ni na klit thanga yung o dem ni te lai kon suma hini redang ni te na redang we na kepo we ji benta yung kepo hi uro te mi ong mi halor te tip mi na em ong mi halor ni ngani ke case cha kan no mi wi le kan no ni mi no ra no ski mi le me
Yes.
Yona for Paimon that time Yona she was not feeling well and so she is
We'll do
absent.
only this.
Okay.
He has anything to say?
No Yona.
All right, then speak for further examination. Just record his one done. Yes. Anything else?
That's all. Open